Okay, this is a Nissan Titan. I am putting in fog lights right now. I just pulled those out. Those are them. You just grab a pair of pliers and just yank it because it's just clips that hold it in. There's no screws, bolts, or anything else that holds it in. You just have to pull it straight out with, I use channel locks, which you can see right over there. Anyway, so I'm going to replace it with fog lights. And I just wanted to figure out how to do it without a relay or anything. And this is just for your parking lights, and that's it. So when your parking lights go on, your fog lights will go on. And the wiring would be as follows. I think it's this one right here, if I can get my thing in there. The probe. Alright, let's just do this again. Okay, it's lighting right under there, you can see it. Okay, so that wire correlates to this one right here. This one right here. This red, and it has a little blue line that goes through it. But you could basically do this on any vehicle. And all I'm doing is tapping into the parking lights. And below, what I did was, I'll show you quickly. I tapped into that white wire that you see, and that wire actually goes to the other side where the fog light is just hanging right now. And there's no power going to this. I tested this first with all the power on to all the brake lights, cargo light, etc. This circuit, these lines are actually dead. The only thing that's good on it is the ground and a power lead going to the other fog light. Anyway, this is the solution for me. 20 bucks, you can't beat it. And you see those holes right there? One of them is for the threaded mount where you actually have to use a nut. And it didn't come with a nut, but I have a couple anyway. I think it's that one right there. Yeah, it's absolutely that one. So this one over here, you can wait for grommets if you want, get them from the factory. But right now it's kind of difficult with the pandemic, nothing's available. So one of my buddies actually just took this whole area right here and just siliconed it, made his own grommet, and it worked out perfectly. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just put 2 blobs of silicone on the top hole and on the bottom hole, and I should have fog lights installed. I'll get back to you with the finished product.